Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other based faucet website. You can claim your free Bitcoin faucet from that website instantly in your Faucetpay. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. This website pay you every 1 minute to your wallet, but in here told you for 40 minutes. Okay, 1, 3 or 2 Satoshi. Because of the Bitcoin prices right now very high, this website pay you lease. Okay, just put your Bitcoin wallet address in here, go to deposit, copy your Bitcoin wallet address and come here, paste it. Okay, just click it, copy it and come here, paste it. Okay, just solve this capture. This is very easy. Okay, I skipped it. Okay, just taxi, just click verify and just click get reward. This website pay you instantly in your Faucetpay, and after 40 minutes you can come back and claim again. If the Bitcoin price come down, this website pay you much more. You can see this website pay me 1 BTC to my Faucetpay. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. Bye bye for now.